This is a song I wrote called Bring on the Rain. She walks into the room, quiet as a mouse. We both made enough noise to fill up this old house. Thought the most evil things, then we said them out loud and filled our sky love with a big black cloud. Don't we know how to bring on the rain? Cold and driving as the pain, thunder and lightning into our hearts, forces to tear us all apart. Her face says she's sorry, hope mine looks the same. We're both looking at each other to take the blame. Her little girl temper, my little boy ways, ain't gonna make those rain clouds stay away. Don't we know how to bring on the rain? Cold and driving as the pain, thunder and lightning into our hearts, forces to tear us all apart. Wish I could find a way to that sun above, break free from all these clouds, back to where we were in love. Yeah, we were in love. There's no answer to some troubles or for the blues. Blacks, grays, and greens, storm clouds like to brew. We can't stay together, but we can't stay apart, and we bring on those storms in our hearts. Don't we know how to bring on the rain? Cold and driving as the pain, thunder and lightning into our hearts, forces to tear us all apart. And don't we know how to whirl the wind, tornado tearing us up within? Yeah, don't we know how to bring on the rain and watch our love come to an end? Thanks for listening.